Hey, little heroes! Welcome to an energetic morning yoga session with Spider-Man. If you've grabbed your mat, let's get started on the adventure. It is a relaxing sitting position that calms the mind and improves focus. This exercise strengthens the legs and opens the chest, giving the body a great deal of energy and power. It relaxes the hips by stretching them, relieves fatigue, and calms the body. By regulating your breathing, it calms the mind and helps you find inner peace. Stretching the back and shoulders relieves tension in the body and provides a feeling of deep relaxation. Stretching the sides of the body makes the breathing easier and gives the body amazing flexibility. Opening the chest strengthens the spine and gives the body a whole new energy. Stretching the back of the legs helps relax the body and reduces mental stress. It greatly improves body balance, increases focus, and trains the body to stand firmly on the ground. It strengthens the legs and arms, increasing physical endurance and improving focus. It improves balance and focus, providing energy and strength to the entire body. It revitalizes the body by gently stretching the spine and improves airflow. It's a fun movement that stretches the hips and relaxes the lower back, bringing joy and peace to the body. This exercise, which opens the shoulders and chest, energizes the body and strengthens the arms. By relaxing your facial muscles and throat, it helps you release pent-up stress and regain confidence. This exercise improves body balance and concentration while stretching the entire body and increasing energy levels. Stretching the sides of the body increases energy levels and improves focus. Opening the rib cage makes it easier to take deep breaths and gives the body a great deal of energy. Stretching the legs and hips regulates digestion and provides inner peace to the body. Stretching the legs and back relaxes the body and calms the mind.